Welcome to Speaking Test 1. Are you ready?
Yes.
Very good. And to start with, what is your name?
My name is Spider.
Hello, Spider. How old are you?
I'm happy.
How old are you? How old are you?
4 years old.
4 years old. And how are you today?
I'm happy.
What color do you like?
I'm happy.
Okay, and what color do you like?
Coffee.
Oh, and now, eyes on the screen and tell me, what's that?
Fire truck.
Okay, that is my fire truck. That is my fire truck.
My fire truck.
What's that? That is my dinosaur. Sit nicely. Very good. And what's that? That is my. Okay, can you say that is my robot?
That is my robot.
Very good. What's that?
Balloon.
That is my.
That is my balloon.
Very good. And what's that? That is my
That is my
doll.
doll.
Okay. And what number is it?
20.
20. What number is it?
12.
12.
16.
16. What number is it?
18. 19. 20.
Very good. And what says b b b b bus? Okay. What color is the bus? What color is the bus?
Zero.
Very good. High five. Good job. I'll sit nicely. Okay. And what says moon? What color is the moon? What color? It's
Zero.
very good. And
Picture.
sandwich. Good. And
Table.
very good. Table. And
Family.
fox.
Fox.
Okay. And
Pizza.
pizza. Good. Now, say the command. Clap your hands.
Wait on the bus.
Get off the bus.
Wait on the bus. Down your feet.
Stomp your feet.
Stand up.
Stand up. Now, what do you see? I see a sun.
I see sun.
What do you see?
I see flower.
How many flowers do you see? 1, 2. How many flowers?
2.
2. What colors are they? They are.
Flower.
What color? They are.
Yellow.
They are yellow.
Yellow.
Very good. What do they play? Hide.
I see.
Good. What do they play?
Jack.
Are they happy or are they happy? Yes or no? Yes. What does she play? Play hops.
Play hopscotch.
Hopscotch. And what do they play?
Play ball.
Very good. And the end. That concludes our spin test, Spider. Goodbye. Goodbye.